Hello, Boomers. Brian Tong here from Boomerlife.net. It's another lovely day in Daytona Beach. Pouring rain, 50 degrees. It's bike week. I feel sorry for these hundreds of thousands of bikers that are here freezing and soaking. They'll be in the bars, cozy and drinking all night, I'm sure. Good night to stay off the roads. Today, I'm talking to you about additions to your coffee that can be miraculous. We're constantly bombarded with ads for quick fixes for everything from weight loss to health products. How to decide what is real? Do your research. Basically, it's around protein and collagen. It's well established that as we age, we need more protein than when we were younger. AARP has a new book out called The Whole Body Reset, which outlines the need to have half a gram of protein for every pound of body weight per day for folks over 50. For me, at 270 pounds, that means 135 grams of protein, 40 per meal, 15 in a snack, along with 30 to 40 grams of fiber per day. Even if you like meat and dairy, this may be hard to do if you don't supplement meals, especially breakfast, with some powdered protein in your morning smoothie or coffee. I recommend Vital Proteins with collagen from the company called Vital Proteins. And I put a couple here in the blog that you can purchase directly from my blog without going to the other sources, which will not pay a slight commission to us so we can keep doing these blogs. Um, the Vital Protein Collagen Creamer. Um, it's made from the scales of fresh, non GMO whitefish, wild caught off the coast of Alaska. It's highly bioavailable, digestible, and soluble in cold water. Marine collagen peptides can be digested and absorbed by the body quickly for maximum benefits. Helps improve the health of your hair, skin, nails, joints, ligaments, and tendons. It's easy to use, soluble in hot or cold liquids, including coffee, smoothies, and tea. 1 or 2 scoops a day is all you need. Can be taken in the morning, afternoon, or evening. What about antioxidants? We all know that antioxidants are important to prevent many age-related disease processes. I've put a link in here to Hana Na Hawaiian Coffee Berry Superfruit Facial Serum. It's a unique blend of anti-aging antioxidants for healthy island glow in your skin. This product has great reviews and can help keep glowing skin by just a few drops on your tongue or in your coffee every morning. You can buy some right here on my blog, and I've put a description for it here. What about immune system boosters? A healthy immune system is vital to maintaining health in today's world with all the toxins in our air and in our food. Immune therapy provides a powder that can be added to your morning smoothie or coffee to boost your immune system with a proven mixture. For the biome immune therapy, cystis, and infusion, clinically featured, clinically proven features to support healthy immune system. I've put a link here where you can order some right now. And also uh, the description of this item. It's clinically proven to strengthen your immune system's response within 2 hours. And it's 100% certified organic and quality tested. What about supplements? I've just stumbled on this new product called Exapure, which is a supplement which helps a multi supplement, which is tailored to your needs for everyday weight loss, provides you all the vitamins and minerals that you're not getting from your food. You can click on the link right here and check that out. As with all the products we feature in our blog, you can purchase them here for the same price as directly from Amazon, but we get a small commission to help us to continue to publish these blogs. So have a great day, be safe, and I'll see you next time. Brian Tong, Boomer Life, out for now.